Hi, I'm Dr. Chris. This is Amanda, and I want to show you guys this sort of hybrid of Pilates and physical therapy that we put together. All right, so the first thing is we start off with breathing. So take a deep breath in with your belly and exhale. Okay, so belly breathing is a little more parasympathetic. That's what we want to do today. Okay, it's okay if the chest rises, that's fine. We'll just leave with belly. All right, next we'll go into imprint or bracing. So inhale. As you exhale, push your ribs down into my hand. Yep. Inhale and hold that position. Exhale, relax it. Okay, inhale. Exhale, ribs down. Inhale and hold. Exhale, relax ribs. Just do 3 more. We're gonna do 5 of everything just for demonstration purposes. So with most of these movements, just to keep things easy, we're gonna have her mostly move on exhale. Okay, 1 more. Inhale. Exhale, ribs down. Inhale. And exhale. Next, we'll go into ab prep. So this starts with legs in this 90-90 position, 90 at the hip, 90 at the knee. We call this tabletop. Put your hands beside your knees, kind of hovering. Tuck your chin. Okay, inhale. Exhale, round up. Inhale and hold that position. Exhale down. Give me 4 more of those. So inhale. Exhale, round up. Inhale and hold. Exhale down. Okay, 3 more. And really focus on ribs down the whole time. Yep, inhale. Exhale, round up a little more. There you go, good. Inhale, hold. Exhale down. From here, we can go right into heel taps. So the easier version is arms down, head down. Inhale. Exhale, tap 1 heel. Inhale, back up. Exhale, other side. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Keep going with that. Again, focusing on ribs down the whole time. You can always make this harder by coming off the table a little bit. Yep. This is give me 2 more per side. Good. All right, next we'll go into half roll. So go ahead and sit up for me. All right, knees bent, reach forward. So it starts off here, inhale. Exhale, go back about halfway. Inhale, hold that position. Exhale, come back, really reach. Inhale, exhale back. Inhale, hold. Exhale back. 3 more of those. Exhale back. Inhale, hold. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Next we'll go into full roll. So go all the way back. Legs out straight. Arms overhead. Okay. Inhale, come up. Exhale, reach forward. Okay. Inhale on the way back. Exhale down. Inhale. Come up. Exhale, reach forward. Inhale, go back slowly. The magic is going slowly here. Exhale, good. Inhale, come up. Exhale, push through. Inhale back. Exhale down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, last one. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale back. Exhale down. Okay, we're almost done. 2 more exercises. Slow double leg. Starts off in tabletop position. Hands beside. Tuck your chin. Lift your head 1 inch. Inhale. Exhale, both arms and legs go out long, both sides. Yep. Inhale and hold that position. Exhale, come together. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep ribs down the whole time. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. I'm going right into obliques, so legs here, hands beside. Okay, inhale, exhale to elbow, yep, inhale, exhale, yep, good, inhale, exhale, you got it. Let's just do one more per side. Good, all right, and that's it.